This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Bill on Construction, and by Edify International School.
CBSE भी रहेगा हमारे पास और IGCSE which is कैम्ब्रिज क्यूरिकुलम भी हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
Today if we ask a grade 2 child to go and buy vegetables from the market, most students in India wouldn't be able to do this.
This is the first school in Gulbarga, Kalaburgi, which has got IGCSE syllabus.
And now, Edify International School joining in on that endeavor to reach global recognition.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस सहार अब्बास एंड यू आर वाचिंग गो हैच। आज हम एडिफाई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के प्रेस लॉन्च में जहां पर वक्त दे रहे हैं अफसर उस्ताद साहब और कविता मैम जो कि CEO हैं एडिफाई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के। मैम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग वैल्यूएबल टाइम। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू मैम, यहाँ पर जो लोगों के अंदर मेंटालिटी है इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, लाइक इट मे बी बियॉन्ड द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द पीपल, लाइक कॉस्टिंग वाइज, डू यू थिंक डज इट cater to the society over here in the city?
Absolutely. International does not mean expensive. International just means better quality. The school fee is at par with most other schools at Gulbarga. It's not going to be really that high. But the difference when we say international is one, of course, is the international affiliation, which is IGCSE. But more importantly, it is the international mindedness that we want to bring in students. For them to go beyond just what is important to them, but more important to what is important to world and how can they contribute to being better world citizens.
What made you to make Edify come here in Gulbarga? Did you had a survey over here, the people Gulbarga, like what was the survey?
Yeah. So of course we did a survey, but also what we realized is a lot of students come from Gulbarga, come to boarding schools in Bangalore and Hyderabad, to our own schools at these two locations, where we receive over 150 to 200 inquiries every year for residential students, meaning parents here understand the importance of quality education, but because they do not have the right school available here, they are forced to be away from their children at very young age, which is not really advisable. So our objective of bringing the school here is these students don't have to go out anymore. They will be able to get world standard education right here at their doorstep in Kalaburgi.
Absolutely, thank you so much. Talking about the infrastructure, do you think like the infrastructure which is shown on the 3D walkthrough, does it have the same kind of 100% infrastructure, or is it a 3D walkthrough and on the site it is something different?
No, it is the same. We promised to the Gulbarga people that we will give as it is in the 3D walkthrough, exactly physically at ground. We are trying to do it in a very international standard and follow the architectural details, everything in coordination with Edify's standards of practice. This we will try to achieve at ground and as it is in the walkthrough.
Talking about the academic as well as the music and sports, we have seen a lot of that. So what is the stress you are putting on music and sports apart from the academics?
We are going to appoint the good international standard academic faculties for the music and also for the sports. We are going to recruit them in a very high standard level.
Okay.
In fact, I'll just add to that question, to that answer is every student has his or her own strengths. While at Edify, we will ensure that every child is exposed to at least one instrument, one dance form, one vocal singing form, and at least 2 specialized sports. So it's not where one sports teacher is teaching all sports. That's not the approach we are following. Every sports facility will have an independent faculty. So if it's a swimming class, it is going to be a swimming coach. A cricket class will have a cricket coach, and they will be trained for competitive levels. In fact, students from our network schools today, we have more than 286 students playing national levels from our network. That's the kind of focus we give. So it's not just sports for fun, dance for hobby. It's not like that. It is really pursuing their passion and taking it to competitive vocational levels. Right. So that's the balance we will create. Ultimately, our objective is, before a child ends up his schooling, he or she should know that I am strong at a certain areas, may not be in all areas, and my strength area should be respected and garnered.
फिलहाल मुझे वक्त दे रहे हैं अमर इस्लाम जो कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एडिफाई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। अमर साहब, आप काफ़ी बड़े यहाँ घराने से हैं, काफ़ी पॉलिटिकली एक्टिव हैं, लीडर की फैमिली से आप आते हैं, तो क्या लगता है कि आपका जो भरोसा है लोगों को, क्या एडिफाई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल को भरोसा मिल पाएगा, ज्वाइन होएगा भरोसा वो?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं समझता हूँ कि ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा स्टेप रहा है। मेरी पूरी टीम का जब मुझे अफसर साहब, मुजाहिद साहब, विजय पाटिल साहब से मुलाकात हुई और हम लोग मिलके एक स्कूल लेके आना गुलबर्गा में जब डिसाइड किए, इट वाज नॉट दैट एडिफाई, हम लोग काफ़ी मार्केट रिसर्च करे, 1 साल 2 साल हमको लगा कि हमको उसे स्कूल को गुलबर्गा में लाएं, लॉन्च करें, क्या उनकी डिटेल्स है, क्या हम क्यों लाए। गुलबर्गा ये वो मुकाम है जहाँ से हमको इज़्ज़त मिलती है, हमारी पहचान है। यहाँ कि लोगों को हमको कुछ देना भी वापस बहुत ज़रूरी है। वी हैव कम टू सर्टन एज एंड एक लेवल पे आ गए हैं जहाँ पे हम हमारी ज़मीन के लिए कुछ करें, ये हमारी नीयत थी, है, और इंशाल्लाह इसी नीयत से हम लोग एडिफाई को प्रिफ़र करें। इनका जो करिकुलम है, इनका जो ओवरऑल स्कूल का कोलैबोरेशन है, स्टूडेंट्स को लेते हुए, पेरेंट्स के जहनीत को लेते हुए, ये यहाँ की आवाम के लिए बेहद ज़रूरी चीज़ थी जो हम लोग समझे। और जब से हम लोग इसकी पब्लिसिटी या इसके बारे में लोगों को मालूम हुआ है, काफ़ी इंक्वायरीज़ ऑफिस पे आए हैं, टेलीफोनिक इंक्वायरीज़ हुए हैं, पर्सनली पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत इनपुट्स आ रहे हैं हम लोगों को। तो मैं समझता हूँ इट इज़ अ गुड स्टेप एंड इंशाल्लाह लोग प्रिफ़र भी कर रहे हैं और करेंगे भी कि कोई गलत स्टेप ले रहा है एडिफाई का गुलबर्गा में आना, क्योंकि दे आर हैविंग मोर ब्रांचेस ऑल ओवर इंडिया, फिर इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी ये लोग है। इट्स ट्रूली एन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल वर्ल्ड आई कैन से।
Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, giving me time is here Mr. Robert Sudasi, who is the principal of Edify International School. Thank you so much for giving me valuable time, Robert sir. Robert sir, principal is the key chain for any school. Like so, since you are in the school, what exactly the difference will you make in the Edify International School?
Well, Edify International School has come up with a different thought itself altogether. We are not concentrating on the marks as it has been happening for the last several years in the education field, where students or parents or the education systems are only concentrating on the marks. Now we are looking at the complete overall development of the child. That is the most important thing, and we are bringing the international standard facilities for the children of this place. So I am sure that Edify International School Kalaburgi will be a trend setter for the people of Kalaburgi. We are going to set an example for it.
Absolutely. Robert sir, the students who are weak in studies, maybe having some, the mindset is not that good. So how is there any syllabus for them to train or make them grow faster?
For the last 20 years I have been in the field of education, and I don't find any child who cannot be nourished or who cannot be brought into the right strength. So there are methodologies, there are procedures where the children can be brought into the limelight to make the best use of their abilities. So we will, in Edify International School, we will not have the concept of backbenchers. Everyone will be a front bencher and learning and working to the maximum potentiality.
Good morning to you, all of you. Respected media, greetings and very good morning to you all. I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming out here today and being a part of this much awaited revolutionary event, the launch of Edify International School at Kalaburgi. Firstly, I would like to introduce you all to Crest Educational and Charitable Trust, an organization created with an intention to do socially conscious businesses, and there was no better way to begin that endeavor than with providing quality education to our children of Gulbarga.
So how is Edify different? We follow our own research-driven 3C curriculum. I wouldn't go into the technicalities of the curriculum, but just to give you an example of what it means to a student. Today, if we ask a grade 2 child to go and buy vegetables from the market, most students in India wouldn't be able to do this, despite the fact that all knowledge to be able to do an activity like that is already available to them. They know the names of vegetables, they know currency, they know addition, subtraction, weights, but they can't apply it in real life for the simple reason that they learn everything in subject domains. I learn names of vegetable in science, I learn to speak in English, I learn addition and subtraction in math, and there is no integration of this in real life. That is why most of us end up asking this question in school, why am I reading this? How is this going to be useful to me in my life?
और दूसरी चीज़ हम जो CBSE के अलावा जो यहाँ पे हम लेके आ रहे हैं वो है ब्रिटिश क्यूरिकुलम, विच इज़ कैम्ब्रिज क्यूरिकुलम है। वो ट्रूली इंटरनेशनल है। यहाँ से बच्चे जब ब्रिटिश करिकुलम पढ़ के जो ओ लेवल विच इज़ 10th और ए लेवल 11-12 का ग्रेड होता है, वो जब बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में अप्लाई करेंगे तो वो एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड का क्वालिफिकेशन होगा और कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी में उनको एक्सेसिबिलिटी मिलेगी, उसको दाखिला मिलेगा। तो वो इंटेंशन से हम लोग CBSE भी रहेगा हमारे पास और IGCSE विच इज़ कैम्ब्रिज करिकुलम भी हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं।
This is the first school in Gulbarga, Kalaburgi, which has got IGCSE syllabus. No other school has come up with this international curriculum. This curriculum that is international, it is first time brought by Edify Kalaburgi. And to begin with, to continue with what our chairman sir and our other respected dignitaries from the forum have been speaking, I would like to speak on two things. First one is I would like to thank the management for giving me this opportunity.
I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of you present here and the people of Gulbarga and surrounding for being a part of this historic movement, a new dimension in education through Edify. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಎಡಿಫೈವನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಎಡಿಫೈ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ಎ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ 3C.
This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, News and Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Bill on Construction, and by Edify International School.